Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will see another example of AI Fabric. So basically, the use case says recognize the object present from the images with AI Fabric object detection model. So basically, in this use case, we will detect the objects present in the images. Okay, so this model return the list of objects detected from the given images, and the bot will generate the Excel file and detected object name and its accuracy. Yeah, so the input required, that is image to be analyzed, and output descriptions output, again it is in a JSON format. Again it will provide us the result in the JSON format with predicted bytes array, which is a base 64 string, and predicted class. Yeah, so under predicted class, so what all objects present in the images, that will be there. So let's open UiPath Studio. Name it to the process AI Fabric object detection. Create it. So before performing any action in UiPath Studio, we have to navigate to the UiPath Automation Cloud to create a project and deploy the ML models. Yeah, so we will move on to the AI Fabric. We will create a new project and we will provide a name PRG object detection, and similar description is object detection model, AI Fabric object detection model. Let's create it. Yeah. So now once we create the project, we will navigate onto the dashboards, and to deploy the ML package we have to navigate to the ML packages. So once we navigate to the ML packages, here you can able to see there are two options are there. One is upload to the file, which is whatever models you have created in the Python, that you can upload your custom model here. And there is out of the box packages available, which is developed by the open source community. So in this use case, we will use out of the box packages, and we will navigate to the out of the box packages, and under that we will go to the open source packages and their image analyze, and under image analysis we will select object detection. Yeah, so this is the basically model that we will be choosing from out of the box package. Yeah, this model is basically trained on the Coco data set, so that you can directly create a ML skill which can be used identify 80 classes of Coco datasets. Yeah, so in the input description we have to provide the image which needs to be analyzed, and output description, again we will getting the JSON file with predicted bytes array and the predicted class. Yeah, so we will simply choose the version 1.0 and submit it. We will provide the name AI Fabric Object Detection, and we will simply okay. So yeah, so the error is because of we have to keep the spaces in the package name. Yeah. So at this moment, this is undeployed model. So we have done the first step, which is we have chosen the package from the ML packages. Now we will move on to the ML skill, and here we will create a new skill, and we will again provide a name ML skill object detection. And we will choose the package which we have created in ML packages section. So we will select that one. We will choose the major version, we'll choose the minor version, and here we can again provide the descriptions that ML skill okay, ML skill for AI Fabric object detection. Yeah, so once you have done this step, you have to just simply click on create it. So your ML skill is getting created. So once you fill this all the information, you have to click on create. So your ML skill getting created. So if you want more information about ML skill, you can just simply navigate to the docs.uipath.com under AI Fabrics, and here you will get all the step-by-step information again. So the model deployment usually takes between 10 to 15 minutes. So once you created the ML skill, you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. So it will usually take 10 to 15 minutes to deploy the model. So I'll cancel this because I have already created, so we will simply use that one. Yeah, so where is the yeah, so I will just simply delete this one because I have already created this project object detection, so we will simply use that one. And here you can see the ML package status is deployed and the ML skill is again available. So once the ML skill status is available and ML package is deployed, then you can say it is ready for use. So this is the overall steps to deploy the ML package and create a ML skill in the AI Fabric. Now navigate onto the UiPath Studio. Here we will create one sequence. Before that, I will show you the images that we will going to use for this use case. So this is one of the image where the group of peoples are there. Then a second image is having some laptops and table and some pot. Third image is some people and car around it, and fourth image is something a motorbike or a bicycle and then people. So we will use these four images for our use case. I will just copy that folder under project. Yeah, so first of all I will be creating one variable called control K V images, and we will simply take the images from the directory dot get files, and the folder path, which is images. Yeah, so images. Yeah, so the reason being that array is this is something we have to change the variable to arrays. Yeah, so now this error has been removed. Now I will create one data table basically to store the result, which is build data table activity. So I will add the column like image, and maximum length is 100. That is fine. Okay. Yeah, so I will rename this one like object, the object that is detected from the image, and the third one is accuracy. Again, this is, we'll just keep it as in the string itself. Yeah. So yeah, so we have created a data table. We will simply create one variable, control K V T T. Yeah, so that's it. Now to use our ML skill that we have created under AI Fabric, we have to download the package that UIPath dot ML services, and UiPath dot web activities. So basically whatever result we will be receiving in the JSON, we will deserialize the JSON, and then we will segregate it and upload into the created Excel file. For that we have basically download the package that, so basically we have downloaded two package. One is ML services and another is web activities. Yeah. Now we will be using a for each loop, because we have to iterate the images whatever present into the folder that we have, the images folder. So for that we use for each, and we'll pass the images. Now we will be using ML skill model or ML skill model. Here we will change the string. Under ML skill that we will select our ML skill object detection, and here we will be item that, and output is again control K V JSON response. This is the our output variable. Now we will print this, that is log message, that we'll be using a log message, and choose this info and v JSON response. Yeah, so So far we have done this, so let's see. We'll execute this and we'll see the result. Yeah, you can able to see we'll be getting the result. So we have 4 images in this, so it will iterate 4 times. So you can see here we receive the response in a JSON format, which is a predicted class and predicted bytes array, which is a base 64 string. Now we will segregate all this and we will create an Excel file with the detected objects. Yeah. Now here we will use the deserialization and we will pass JSON response, and we will create one variable control K v JSON object. Yeah. Now what we will do here, we will use one assign activity. We will create one variable v class. So we will segregate the class, predicted class. So for that, what we have to do, vjson object, and we'll provide here predicted class dot so we will copy this notepad. Yeah, so what we'll be doing here, so we'll segregate the predicted class basically. Yeah, and so we'll be getting this value basically. Yeah, so for that we have basically selected a predicted class. So again we'll simply use the log message to print this class. It's info v class. Yeah. Okay, now we will be getting the predicted class. Now again we will do the deserialize. We will again use the deserialization and we will deserialize that predicted class, and this time we have to change the type of argument to the array. So yeah, we have changed it to array, and we will create a variable called control K v j obj array. Yeah, it is an output is an array format, hence we have created one array. Now we will iterate that array. Again we will use for each loop, and we will be providing our array output variable, and we will be using here add data row activity. Yeah, and our it is data table is vdt that we have created at the start, and then here we will be basically provide array row which is item. Okay, here we will change it to the image just to avoid the duplicacy, and yeah. So image comma item in bracket class dot to string comma item score dot to string. Image show yeah, so here we need to change it to the J object. Oh shit, sorry, not here. The string is correct. Yeah, here we need to change it to the J object. Yeah, now the error has been removed. Let me again cross check. It is a string which is correct, and here we have basically changed it to the J object, and here this is image. So basically this will take the image variable that we have used previous for each loop, and then this is the item of class and the score. Let me just show. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the class, so this will identify the class, and the score is that we have created, that will basically fetch the score value. Yeah, now we will just simply use write range activity, sorry, write range activity, and created the excel file with write range again workbook. Yeah, result dot xlsx sheet 1, and then vdt. We will use add headers as well. Yeah, simply save all. Yeah, I think we have done with this workflow. Image, and again we have deserialized that. Yeah, okay, anyways, let's simply execute this and see the result. Yeah, you can able to see the first image, and it has separated the predicted class and class predicted class having the class and the score. This is the second object, second image. This is the third one, the third image that the model has recognized it. Yeah, this is the fourth one, and the last step, our execution has been done, which is it took almost 58 seconds. Yeah, now let's see the result Excel sheet that we have generated out of it. Yes, yeah, so you can see the image one. Now we will go to the yeah, so image one. Now you can see here our let first see the result. Image one and image one having all the group of person, and there are 8 persons in this group. So yes, you can see it is detected 8 persons from this particular image. Now move on to the second image. The second image, they detected 3 objects. One is plant, another is dining table, and the third one is a laptop. And you can see the score accuracy again here. Now move on to the third one. This is the group of people and car. So let's see the third image having 3 person and 1 car, and again the accuracy. Yes, so this has not detected this car, but the this model has detected this car. And image 4, yeah, so image 4 again 2 persons and the motorbike. Yeah, so motorbike that detected and the 2 persons and the accuracy. So this is our result file basically. So in this way you can basically collect it the objects in the Excel file with its accuracy based on the use case. So yeah, this is the example of the AI fabric, again the object detection model. So in this way you can use it, and you can basically convert your JSON result into the Excel file format as well. Yeah, so yeah, that's it in this video, friends. Please subscribe and do comments in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching.